Understanding subcooling for thermostatic expansion valves and superheat for fixed orifice systems is key to nailing your HVAC setup, you know? So, when you're checking subcooling with a TXV system, you want to measure the temperature difference between the liquid refrigerant leaving the condenser and its saturation temperature. This tells you if the refrigerant is fully condensed and ready to flow into the evaporator. For fixed orifice systems, superheat is your go-to metric. It's the difference between the suction line temperature and the evaporator's saturation temperature, letting you know if the evaporator is getting enough refrigerant. Always use a good set of gauges and a reliable thermometer to get these readings right. Keep an eye on those temperatures during operation because they can fluctuate with load changes, so check them under typical running conditions. Remember, proper subcooling means you're not starving the evaporator, and correct superheat means you're not flooding it. If you're unsure about your readings, compare them to manufacturer specs or trusted HVAC guides. Keeping these measurements in check helps avoid compressor damage and keeps your system running efficiently. One of the biggest mistakes people make with subcooling for TXV systems and superheat with fixed orifice setups is misreading temperatures, like using the wrong spot to measure or ignoring ambient conditions. Fix that by always measuring at the right locations with calibrated tools. Another issue is overcharging or undercharging refrigerant. Too much in the liquid line can cause high pressure and poor cooling, while too little starves the system. The fix? Charge carefully while monitoring subcooling and superheat values. Lastly, folks often overlook that the liquid line holds way more refrigerant than the vapor line, usually about 7 to 11 times more. So ignoring this can mess with system balance. Understanding this ratio helps when diagnosing refrigerant distribution problems. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with reliable local contractors who know their stuff on HVAC and other home upgrades. It also helps contractors get steady work by linking them to people who need trusted pros fast.